Hi, my name's Curt. I ride bikes since a BMXer as a kid to a mechanic today, and I still get out on my bike as much as I can, especially in the big forest around this area. My bike is an early 90s Specialized Rockhopper, and I've converted it into a clunker style bike, an old school retro mountain bike, and I've managed to convert it into an electric bike with the Swytch Kit. I got into BMX riding when I was 13. It was at the local park which had a track and watching guys fly through the air, and I thought that's what I want. I saved up some money, grabbed whatever bike I could get a hold of, and ended up breaking my kneecap straight away and getting septicemia and spending 6 weeks in cast. But when I came out, got a proper bike, and I ended up turning pro a few years later. I don't BMX anymore. When I do get out, I play on a pump track, but that's as much as I can kind of really go now with past injuries. So, I ride within my limits, but I still get the kick. I chose the Swytch Kit over a full electric bike setup because I love customizing bikes. I'm a bike mechanic and that's my play. So I get to have a unique bike, but still with all the benefits of an electric bike. It only took about half an hour, 45 minutes to set it up. My wife and I recently moved here to South Wales, and where we're located, we've got a cycle path just down the road, like 20 miles worth of cycle path from a disused railway line. 10 minutes down the road, the other way, we've got a forest to get lost in on our bikes. It's so nice around here. You don't need to be driving and stuck in a car. You know, a day like this, you can just get out and just get lost and do the same amount that you would do in a car, but out in the open air on your bike.